I am a medical social worker. I work in hospitals and specifically in intensive care units supporting grieving families. And on the side, I have my blog, Social Work to Wealth, where I'm documenting my husband and I's debt payoff journey, starting with $277,000 worth of debt. We've paid off $40,000 so far, so lots to go, but just sharing our personal journey, things that we learn. And I had just started my blog when I came across Janice's Jumpstart Your Blog Bootcamp, and I knew it was what I needed to take my blog to the next level and also get support from Janice specifically and just have a community of people, like-minded people.
What is it about the program specifically that you think has allowed you to make progress that you couldn't necessarily make by yourself, like trying to DIY things?
There was so much information in that course. I knew that I could have ads on my website, but I only thought that I had to reach a certain amount of views per month. And I'm like, but how do I get to any of it? So that the back end stuff, like that information really helped me.
I love it. So you have been able to monetize without having tens of thousands of monthly views and all this stuff. And I think it's so important for folks to know you can monetize pretty much from the beginning if you have a strategic plan.
Hey y'all, it's Traveler Charlie. I really want to shout out to Janice for the Bloggers Bootcamp. That course really helped me get started with a blog because I don't want to just rely on my business finding clients through Instagram or Facebook, because at any day Zuckerberg can shut stuff down. And so it's been really nice to know that there are other outlets for promoting myself via my business. So thank you, Janice.
Hola, my name is Lucia, and I am an alumni of Janice's blog bootcamp. And let me tell you, that course got me ready, got me SEO ready. And thanks to it, I was able to land some of my first pieces of press that were not like an outreach, but really just them coming to me. So if you're considering buying the course, if you are thinking about taking it, I say go for it. I think the community that you'll find, and then also just the way that Janice is laying down every single module is going to help you. Even all the previous recordings of guests and speakers that she's had on, it's incredible and it's amazing. So I highly recommend it. Like everything Janice does, it's beautiful, it's incredible, it's badass. So I hope you decide to join, and I'll catch you in the LinkedIn group.
My name is Cande, short for Candelaria, and my blog is called Siempre Evolving. I was actually a part of Janice's very first blog bootcamp, and I cannot recommend this course enough. Prior to bootcamp, I had no idea how to use WordPress or even know where to begin. And now I've published over 20 blog posts and I'm beginning to look into monetizing my blog. One of the things that I love about this course is that you have lifetime access, so you could always go back to it if you have any questions. I also love that it's in a group format, so you're learning with other people. And Janice continues to update it, so I still go back to it now and learn new things. So if you're on the fence, you really don't need to be, because this truly is one of the best investments that you could make for yourself.
The platform that she uses is very easy to navigate. I appreciated that, and it has all the course materials. And it was a 6-week course, and even though the course is over, I still have access to it, and I appreciate that very much. I'm a full-time teacher, so I was a little bit panicked about having access to all of the amazing templates and goodies that she gives you. So the fact that you have lifetime access, that is amazing.
Let me tell you something about Janice's Jumpstart Your Blog Bootcamp. I didn't think that I needed it. I thought that because I've had a blog for years, I didn't need to go through a beginner's course. I thought it was just going to be a beginner's course and it's not going to be for me. I'm too advanced for that. But let me tell you how wrong I was. And I am so grateful that I purchased this program because it set me back. It put me back and made me focus on the foundation. After I took this course, my foundation was so much stronger. It was so much sturdier. And honestly, I've learned so much from this course, so incredibly much. And the only thing I can tell you right now, if you're stuck on the fence, get this course. You will not regret it.